All right, here's the church lights, new type. Check this out. All right, I'm gonna turn off the hallway lights here quick. Yep, they're all turning off. That's the entire church. Okay, now let's do stage lights. Oof, nice and bright. And then let's do sanctuary. All the stage lights are turning on, sanctuary lights. Yeah, there we go. Look at this awesomeness. Okay, so now we can also the sound booth we can do here. And you'll see it will turn on for us. I don't know why it's blue, but I'll figure that out later. Okay, turn off the sound booth. Turn off the sanctuary. Turn off the stage. Next a little bit. And then we can transition to movie. Let it do its thing. Dims everything down and lights up the back amber for that epic transition. And we're good. We can watch movies. So let's turn off the movie. Instead, turn on the sanctuary. And let's turn on the stage lights. And it should kick in. There it is. Just takes a little bit. Boom. There you go. Pretty sick. Alright, turn on the hallway. Back online. Now the hallway light should populate in there. There he goes. Yep, that's the rest of the church. There you go. Y'all have a good one.